If your phone won't charge in your Malibu and your playlists have gone silent, you're in the right place. Let's get your USB port back in business. First, check the obvious. Try a different USB cable and device. Sometimes the cable is the real problem, not your car. Still not working? Locate your car's fuse box. Usually it's under the dashboard or in the trunk. Check your owner's manual for the exact spot. Find the fuse labeled for AUX or USB. Pull it out and inspect it. If the metal strip inside is broken, you've got a blown fuse. Replace it with one of the same amperage. Fuses are cheap and easy to find at any auto store. Now start your car and test the port again. Still dead? Try cleaning out the port gently with a toothpick or compressed air. Dust and debris can block the connection. If none of this works, you might have a deeper wiring issue, or the USB module itself may need replacing. At that point, a visit to a mechanic or dealership is your best bet. Quick recap. Check your cable, inspect the fuse, clean the port, and if all else fails, call a pro. Don't let a dead USB port ruin your drive. Fix it fast, and get back on the road with your favorite tunes. Thanks for watching.